endless, yet ever-changing. Welcome to the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert on Earth, sprawling across roughly 3.6 million square miles. Its vast expanse stretches from the Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea, crossing 11 countries, including Algeria, Chad, and Egypt. Despite its notorious aridness, the Sahara is not a barren wasteland. It hosts diverse topographies such as sand dunes, plateaus, and mountains. Temperatures can soar above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, while nights plunge into chilling lows, showcasing nature's extreme contrasts. What lies beyond the charming cobblestone streets of Krakow? A city where history whispers through every stone, Krakow was the royal capital of Poland for over 500 years. Nestled on the banks of the Vistula River, it is home to Wawel Castle, a symbol of national pride and the resting place of Polish kings. With a population of approximately 770,000, it's a vibrant hub of culture and education, hosting one of the oldest universities in the world, Jagiellonian University, founded in the 14th century. How does a tiny archipelago become a giant of history? Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Malta is a tapestry of ancient stones and vibrant stories. With a land area of just over 300 square kilometers, it's one of the world's smallest and most densely populated countries. Yet, this diminutive nation has seen the rise and fall of mighty civilizations, from the Phoenicians to the Knights of St. John. Malta's strategic position has made it a coveted jewel, sparking conquests and leaving an indelible mark on its rich cultural landscape. How does a capital city emerge out of the wilderness? Islamabad, the brainchild of the 1960s, was meticulously planned to be Pakistan's new heart. Nestled against the backdrop of the Margala Hills, this city is a striking blend of modernity and nature. With its wide avenues and expansive green spaces, Islamabad stands in stark contrast to the bustling streets of Karachi and Lahore. The serene Rawal Lake and the imposing Faisal Mosque, one of the largest in the world, are testimonies to its unique charm and vision. Is time travel possible? Step into Glenorchy, where the landscapes seem pulled from a prehistoric age. Nestled at the northern end of Lake Wakatipu, this New Zealand gem is framed by the Southern Alps, offering vistas that have captivated filmmakers and adventurers alike. With a population barely scraping 600, it's a sanctuary of solitude and natural beauty. The air here carries whispers of bygone eras, blending the calls of native birds with the rustle of ancient beech forests. Glenorchy invites you to journey into nature's untouched canvas. What makes Yoho National Park a geological wonder? Imagine towering peaks that tell stories of ancient seas and shifting continents. Established in 1886, this Canadian marvel spans 507 square miles of the Rocky Mountains. The park's name, derived from a Cree expression of awe, aptly captures its dramatic landscapes. Visitors are drawn to the mesmerizing turquoise waters of Emerald Lake and the thunderous roar of Takakau Falls, one of the highest waterfalls in Canada. Welcome to a realm where nature's history is etched into every rock and river. Can a small town be the heart of adventure? Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brinz, Interlaken is the gateway to the Bernese Alps. This Swiss gem offers more than just breathtaking views. It's a hub for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. From paragliding over emerald valleys to cruising on crystal clear waters, Interlaken captivates with its diverse palette of experiences. With the towering Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau peaks as its backdrop, this town is a living postcard, inviting explorers to uncover the layers of its alpine allure. Welcome to Interlaken, where every vista is a new adventure. What if I told you that Monte Cristi, a small town in the Dominican Republic, is home to a stunning natural wonder? Welcome to the iconic El Morro, a dramatic limestone hill that rises proudly from the sea, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. This geological marvel stands as a sentinel over Monte Cristi Bay, blending seamlessly with the azure waters and vibrant mangroves. Its slopes, covered in lush vegetation, provide a haven for diverse wildlife, making it a must-see destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Where the Earth's heartbeat echoes. Denali National Park, a realm of staggering beauty, stretches across over 6 million acres in Alaska, inviting adventurers to its untouched wilderness. At its heart, Mount Denali reigns supreme as North America's tallest peak, soaring over 20,000 feet. The park, established in 1916, is home to a rich tapestry of wildlife, from grizzly bears to golden eagles. Its vast, rugged landscapes offer a rare glimpse into a world where nature remains untamed and awe-inspiring. Where snow meets steam. Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, is a land of contrasts where icy expanses collide with bubbling hot springs. This vast region, covering over 83,000 square kilometers, is renowned for its harsh winters and powdery snow, drawing skiers and snowboarders from around the globe. Yet, beneath the snow-laden landscapes lies a geothermal wonderland. The famed Jigokudani, or Hell Valley, with its steaming vents and sulfurous streams, offers a stark sensory reminder of the island's volcanic origins. Welcome to Hokkaido, where the elements engage in a perpetual dance. Nestled against the Sea of Japan, the city of Otaru is a place where time seems to stand still. Once a bustling hub of commerce and trade during the early 20th century, it now offers visitors a glimpse into its storied past. The Otaru Canal, flanked by restored warehouses and gas lamps, whispers tales of its maritime history. This waterway, just over 1 kilometer in length, serves as a living museum of the city's former glory. Whether under the warm sun or a blanket of snow, the canal's reflections create a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. What city lies in the shadow of Europe's most active volcano? Welcome to Catania, a vibrant Sicilian city nestled at the foot of Mount Etna. This imposing giant, towering over 10,000 feet, shapes the landscape and the lives of the 500,000 people who call Catania home. The fertile volcanic soil makes the surrounding area a lush paradise for agriculture, producing some of the finest olives and wines in Italy. Yet, the threat of Etna's fiery eruptions is ever present, a dramatic reminder of nature's untamed power in this ancient city. what draws thousands to the serene heights of Koyasan. Nestled on a plateau 1,400 meters above sea level in Wakayama Prefecture, Japan, this tranquil sanctuary is a world away from the bustling cities below. Founded in 816 by the monk Kobo Daishi, Koyasan serves as the center of Shingon Buddhism. Enshrined within its cedar forests are over 100 temples, each with its own history and allure. Visitors can experience a rare glimpse into monastic life by staying at a temple lodging where traditional vegetarian meals and meditative silence offer a retreat for the soul. Welcome to Bandung, a city where colonial architecture meets volcanic landscapes. Nestled among the verdant tea plantations and towering peaks of West Java, Bandung pulses with a unique blend of history and natural beauty. Known as the Paris of Java, it boasts a temperate climate, thanks to its elevation of roughly 2,500 feet above sea level. Here, the air is crisp and fresh, a stark contrast to the sultry tropical heat of other Indonesian cities. This vibrant city is a melting pot of cultures, with bustling markets, rich culinary delights, and a thriving art scene. What's the magic behind New Zealand's smallest national park? Welcome to Abel Tasman National Park, a coastal paradise where golden beaches meet lush forests. Spanning just over 200 square kilometers, this park might be small, but it's packed with natural wonders. Established in 1942, it remains a haven for hikers and kayakers. The Abel Tasman Coast Track, one of New Zealand's great walks, offers a stunning journey through pristine landscapes. With its mild climate, visitors can enjoy exploring its beauty year-round. Cascais is a vibrant tapestry woven by the Atlantic's whispers and the sun's warm embrace. Nestled just 25 kilometers west of Lisbon, this coastal gem offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical intrigue. Once a humble fishing village, Cascais transformed into a royal retreat in the 19th century, drawing nobility with its charming beaches and mild climate. Today, its cobblestone streets invite exploration, and the striking architecture tells tales of a bygone era, seamlessly intertwining with the bustling life of a modern seaside town. Welcome to the allure of Cascais. Imagine a city where the echoes of ancient scholars still linger in the air. Welcome to Coimbra, a place where history and academia intertwine seamlessly. Nestled in the heart of Portugal, Coimbra is home to one of the oldest universities in the world, the University of Coimbra, established in 1290. Its Joanina Library, a Baroque masterpiece, houses over 200,000 books and even provides sanctuary to a colony of bats, which help preserve these ancient texts by controlling insect populations. How does a city balance the charm of cobblestone streets with the pulse of modern innovation. Welcome to Stockholm, a city where medieval architecture meets cutting-edge design. Founded in the 13th century, this Scandinavian capital is a living tapestry of history and progress. With over 2 million residents in its sprawling metropolitan area, Stockholm is not only Sweden's largest city, but also a hub of sustainability. Its public transport system is a marvel, boasting one of the world's most efficient networks, seamlessly connecting the city's 14 islands and 57 bridges. What does it take for a city to become a cradle of innovation? In Padua, Italy, it's the fusion of ancient knowledge and modern spirit. Home to one of the world's oldest universities, founded in 1222, Padua has nurtured great minds from Galileo to Copernicus. The city's historic charm is matched by its cutting-edge research in fields like medicine and engineering. Wander through its cobblestone streets, and you'll feel the pulse of a place where past and future seamlessly intertwine. Where olive groves meet the horizon. Andalusia, a region in southern Spain, is a land where sprawling olive plantations stretch as far as the eye can see, producing nearly half of the world's olive oil. These ancient groves form a tapestry across the landscape, interwoven with whitewashed villages and Moorish architecture. The Guadalquivir River, vital and winding, nourishes this fertile soil. Andalusia is a place where the rhythm of flamenco echoes through cobbled streets, and the scent of orange blossoms fills the air. In the heart of the Bernese Oberland, Schöniger Platt stands as a testament to Switzerland's natural grandeur. Nestled at over 6,000 feet above sea level, this majestic plateau offers sweeping views of the iconic Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau peaks. The area is renowned for its alpine garden, home to over 700 plant species, each thriving in the crisp mountain air. A century-old cogwheel railway, a marvel of engineering, wins its way up the mountain, carrying visitors through verdant valleys and pastures dotted with grazing cattle. Welcome to a place where nature and engineering harmonize in spectacular fashion. Where two worlds collide. Carcross, a small yet striking community in Canada's Yukon, sits at the crossroads of history and nature. Nestled between the vibrant waters of Bennett Lake and the rugged peaks of the Coast Mountains, Carcross is a living testament to the Gold Rush era. With a population hovering around 300, this village may be small in size, but it boasts a landscape vast in beauty. The name Carcross is a contraction of Caribou Crossing, harking back to the days when herds of caribou would traverse these lands, leaving footprints in the sands of time. Where does the landscape seem to whisper tales of centuries past? Welcome to Sintra, a town where the lush Serra de Sintra mountain range cradles an extraordinary blend of history and nature. Nestled just 25 kilometers from Lisbon, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is famed for its romantic 19th century architecture. The colorful Palacio da Pena, perched atop a hill, dominates the skyline like a fairy tale castle. Sintra's microclimate fosters exotic flora, making its gardens a vibrant spectacle. The town's labyrinthine streets offer a journey through the annals of time, each corner echoing with whispers of its Moorish roots. Imagine standing on a structure that seems to defy gravity. The Cityscapes suspension bridge, a marvel of modern engineering. Spanning over 700 meters across the verdant valleys of Zhejiang province, this bridge is not just a passage, but an aerial adventure. Opened in 2016, it connects the vibrant city of Hangzhou to the tranquil Cityscapes wetlands, showcasing breathtaking views of the natural landscape below. With its sleek cables and sturdy towers, the Cityscapes suspension bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity amidst nature's grandeur. What does it take for a country to fit into a pocket? Montenegro, nestled on the Adriatic coast, is a testament to small-scale grandeur. With an area of just over 5,000 square miles, this compact gem boasts a diverse landscape that might make larger countries envious. From the rugged peaks of the Dinaric Alps to the serene beaches of Budva, Montenegro offers a dramatic tableau. Despite its size, it packs a punch with a population of around 600,000, each living in a nation where history and nature intertwine seamlessly. What if nature could carve its own masterpiece? Welcome to Verdun Gorge, a dazzling spectacle etched by time and water. Stretching over 15 miles, this limestone canyon plunges more than 2,000 feet deep, revealing layers of geological history. As Europe's second largest gorge, it slices through the heart of the French Provence, presenting a dramatic interplay of turquoise waters and rugged cliffs. Its striking beauty attracts adventurers and photographers alike, all drawn to the breathtaking vistas and the promise of discovery around every bend.